In the realm of modern warfare, the relentless pursuit of advanced defense systems has led nations to develop sophisticated technologies capable of safeguarding their interests and deterring potential threats. Among these cutting-edge systems, the Russian Pantsir missile system has emerged as a formidable force to be reckoned with. With its exceptional capabilities and unrivaled performance, the Pantsir system has earned a reputation for its unbeatable power on the battlefield, showcasing Russia's prowess in missile defense technology. But the question is, how powerful is Russia Pantsir missile system? Stay tuned for the answer. In 1989, Russia's KBP Instrument Design Bureau embarked on a remarkable journey to develop a revolutionary air defense system called Pantsir. The project was initiated with the aim of replacing the aging K-22 Tunguska system and introducing advanced capabilities to defend Russian ground forces. However, fate had its own plans. The collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 brought about significant changes and new requirements for the Pantsir system. Its purpose transformed from safeguarding airfields, missile silos, command centers, and communication arrays to serving as a short-range defense for the Russian ground forces, while also complementing the longer-range air defense systems like the mighty S-300, S-400, and future S-500. Undeterred by the challenges, the brilliant minds at KBP Instrument Design Bureau continued their relentless pursuit of perfection. Years of dedicated research, development, and refinement culminated in the unveiling of the finalized Pantsir design in 2003, marking a milestone in the system's development journey. With its innovative features and adaptability to changing defense needs, the Pantsir system emerged as a testament to Russian engineering and ingenuity. This extraordinary tale of evolution and determination paved the way for a formidable air defense system that would go on to protect Russian ground forces and fortify the nation's airspace for years to come. Also known as SA-22 Greyhound, the Pantsir missile system embodies a combination of advanced technology, mobility, and firepower. Its alternate name, Carapace, alludes to the impenetrable armor of a turtle, further emphasizing its defensive strength and resilience on the battlefield. Operating on mobile, ground-based platforms, the Pantsir missile system is designed to counter a wide range of threats, including aircraft, helicopters, drones, and precision-guided munitions. It is equipped with both surface-to-air missiles and rapid-fire cannons, providing a layered defense against aerial targets. The Pantsir missile system has gained significant attention and recognition as a formidable weapon in the global defense landscape. This surface-to-air or SAM system has found its way into the arsenals of numerous countries, including Algeria, Brazil, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Libya, Oman, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Slovenia, Syria, the United Arab Emirates, and Vietnam. Its widespread adoption underscores the system's impressive capabilities and effectiveness in modern warfare. Moving on to its specifications and capabilities. The Pantsir system features sophisticated radar systems, enabling it to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. Its engagement capabilities extend to both short-range and medium-range air defense, offering a versatile solution for defending key assets, military installations, and populated areas. It is capable of engaging up to 4 targets simultaneously, setting it apart from many other air defense systems. This multi-target engagement feature allows the Pantsir to efficiently handle complex scenarios involving multiple aerial threats. Additionally, the system's maximum engagement speed of 3,280 feet per second demonstrates its ability to swiftly react to and intercept fast-moving targets. With this impressive combination of simultaneous target engagement and exceptional speed, the Pantsir system establishes itself as a truly formidable and unbeatable force in the realm of missile defense technology. The Pantsir missile system is an impressive force to be reckoned with, boasting formidable warhead and range capabilities. Equipped with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead weighing 44 pounds, it delivers a devastating impact on its targets. The system offers different variants, each with its own impressive range. The Pantsir S1 variant reaches up to 12 miles, the Pantsir S1M variant extends that to 19 miles, and the advanced Pantsir SM variant pushes the boundaries even further with a range of 25 miles. These ranges demonstrate the system's ability to engage and neutralize targets at considerable distances. These specifications underline the effectiveness of the Pantsir missile system in countering aerial threats within its range. It has become a crucial asset on the modern battlefield, serving as an essential component of Russia's air defense arsenal. With its powerful warhead and extended range capabilities, the Pantsir missile system provides a vital layer of protection against airborne threats for nations worldwide. The Pantsir missile system features a combination of missiles for engaging targets at different ranges and altitudes. The original domestic versions used the 95 YA-6 series missile as its primary armament, with an improved variant, 95 YA-62M for medium altitudes and a 23 YA-6 for shorter range option. The export versions utilize the 57E6 missile with an enhanced variant 57E6E offering superior capabilities. Whilst the system's secondary armament includes two dual 2A38M 30mm autocannon guns for close-range defense against penetrating or low-altitude targets. By combining the missile armament with the autocannon guns, the Pantsir missile system becomes a versatile and effective air defense platform. When engaging an airplane with a radar cross-section area of 21 square feet and a target speed of 984 feet per second, the system showcases its remarkable capabilities. Using its missiles, the Pantsir system can engage targets within a firing range of 3,937 to 5,617 feet. This extensive range allows it to engage threats from a considerable distance, ensuring ample time for interception and neutralization. Additionally, the system can operate effectively at varying altitudes, with the capability to engage targets flying at altitudes ranging from 49 to 49,000 feet. With its guns, the system can effectively engage targets within a range of 656 to 13,123 feet. This provides a close-range defense option, ensuring the system can respond swiftly and accurately to threats in proximity. The gun's altitude engagement capabilities range from ground level up to 9,842 feet, making it suitable for countering low-altitude threats effectively. With the ability to engage threats using both missiles and guns, the system offers a layered defense approach, ensuring comprehensive protection against a wide array of airborne threats. Whether intercepting targets from a long distance or engaging threats in close proximity, the Pantsir system demonstrates its prowess in safeguarding airspace and enhancing the defense capabilities of the nations that deploy it. Ultimately, the Pantsir missile system stands as a testament to Russia's technological prowess in the field of air defense. Its global adoption and ongoing service since 2003 underscore its effectiveness and versatility on the modern battlefield. As nations continue to seek cutting-edge defense solutions, the Pantsir missile system remains a prominent choice for those seeking a powerful and reliable SAM system capable of protecting critical assets and deterring airborne threats. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.